Hello friends, in today's class, it is our chapter number 9, half and quarters. In last two periods also we discussed about the same chapter, and during that classes we learn about how to make half of the whole things, how many half are there in one whole, and after that quarters, what is meaning of quarter, how many quarter make one half, and how many quarter are there in one whole, and how to find the quarter and half of different numbers. Now in the continuation of the same chapter, see today it is half of many things, half of many pieces. So one example is given in your textbook, half of many pieces. See, I will write this example here. See, Rani got a chocolate. Rani got a chocolate and she divided it equally and gave half. She divided equally and gave half to her friend Reena. Now this is information about our question here. So what is this question? Rani got a chocolate, she divided equally and gave half to her friend Reena. So see, this is one piece of chocolate and this piece of chocolate is like this here. It is like this. This is the picture is in your textbook only. So see, this is a piece of chocolate now. And see, this is whole piece of chocolate and she divided equally and gave half to her friend Reena. So whenever she will divide this one into half, means as you know, what is meaning of half? Half is one equal part after two equal part of any whole thing. So this is one whole chocolate is there. Now she has to divide equally. So how will she divide? See, she can divide this like this. So when she will divide it like this, so there are two equal parts. This is one equal part and this is one equal part. Now question is there. Question is here. See, circle or draw the portion that got to Reena. Now see, this is whole chocolate and Reena divided this chocolate into half and decided to give to her half part to her friend Reena. But now we have to find out here, circle or draw the portion that got to Reena. Reena को कितना पार्ट यहाँ पर मिला है, कौन सा पार्ट मिला है, वो हमें यहाँ पर सर्कल करके या सेपरेटली यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करके शो कर सकते हैं. So see, she got how many parts here? She got half portion of this one. So see, she will get this way. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parts are there. 6 pieces are there. So out of 6 pieces, she will get half pieces, means 3 pieces. So she will get like this, half portion. This is one way. In different way, if you want to divide into equally, so they see there are 6 parts are there. Out of these 6 parts, see Reena will got this 3 pieces, or like this again. This way also you can say that Reena will get a 3 pieces like this in this different way. So we can say here Reena got here these 3 pieces or these 3 pieces. Means total number of pieces will be remain same, but only the shape of these 3 pieces will be different here. Now question B. Yes, how many pieces of chocolate are there in Reena's portion? How many pieces of chocolate are there in Reena's portion? It's very simple question. How many pieces of chocolate are there in Reena's portion? See, this is the whole chocolate and Rani divided it equally half parts and then she decided to give the half part to her friend Reena, and now Reena got the 3 pieces like this only. Reena got half part of the chocolate like this. Now see how many pieces are there in each set. 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3, here 1, 2, 3. It means in half part of that whole chocolate there are 3 pieces which got to Reena. So we can see how many pieces of chocolate are there in Reena's portion. See, there are 3 pieces in Reena's portion. Means Reena got this part and in her part there are 3 pieces of chocolate out of these 6 equal parts. Now question B. How many pieces were left with Rani? After giving half part to Reena, some part are left with her. Means half part of the chocolate is left with her. In question is there, how many pieces were left with Rani? How many pieces were left with Rani? See, this is whole chocolate here. Out of this whole chocolate, half gave to Rani. So definitely half piece of the chocolate will be left with Rani. Then if half is left with Rani, so now we have to count here how many pieces of that chocolate is left with Rani. So what is total number of, see this is chocolate and it is after divided into half, these are the 6 equal parts of this chocolate. Out of this much 3 parts are handed over to Reena and this is remaining part which was left with Rani. Now you see how many pieces of the chocolate are left here with Rani. So this much half part is left with Rani. So there are 1, 2, 3 pieces. So we can write here how many pieces are left with Rani. So there are 3 pieces left with Rani. There are 3 pieces left with Rani. So this way we can find out and we can divide the things into half equally parts and we have to share to someone. Now next up, mini shape from half shape. Mini shapes from half shape. Mini shape from half shape. See, this is your rectangle. Now, these are the 2 halves of this rectangle. This is 1 half, this is 1 half. It means this is one half shape and this one is another half shape. What is this? This one is another half shape. Now, by joining these two shapes, this is 1 half, this is another half. By joining these 2 sheets, we have to make different shapes. So, what are the such different things which we can make by joining these 2 sheets? So, see, first of all, I will make like this here. This is 1 half. And see, this is another half. So by joining these 2 halves, we can make the shape like this. See, this is your pink color sheet. This is your pink color sheet, and this is your blue color sheet. Now you join these 2 different sheets, it will make the one different shape. So see, here it is your blue color sheet. It is your blue color sheet, and it is your pink color sheet. Now these both are the half, and after joining these both half, we can make this different shape. But do you think only this type, the one shape only we can make by joining these 2 half? No, there are many other shapes we can form by joining these 2 shapes. So let us see what are the different things, what are the different shapes. Such type of different shapes we can make here. Now see, this is one more. This is one more. See, this is also half and this is also half. So these are 2 different half here. By joining these two half, we form this one here. So this is different shape. This is different shape. Then see, any other? See, this is also one half, and this is another half. By joining these 2 half, we can make the shape like this. हमने अभी यहां पर इस तरह का शेप बना दिया है. So this way, different shape we can form by joining these 2 half piece. Next, see, it is one more half. Like this. So when you will join these 2 shape, these 2 half, your shape will be like this only here. Yes. Any other? So there are many different shapes. There are many different shapes. We will have to try with many shapes. See, this is one half. It is in pink color half. And now next piece is your blue color half. See, like this. Next color is your blue color half. So like this we can make from here. One more shape. See, this is your what? Pink color half part. And now this one is your blue color part. So like this you can make this part. This way also you can make different shape. So there are many other shapes which we can make by joining these two half shapes. By joining these two half shapes. So see one more is here. It's very simple. This is one half and now this is another half. This is another half. See, it is looking like triangle. So this way we can make here different shape by joining these two half shapes. So these are the shape which we form by joining two different half. So one more is here. See, this is one and another one is like that. It is blue color sheet and now it is pink color sheet. So these are two half and by joining these two half, one more shape is formed here. So this way we can make a different shape by making the two different half. Now next question is, many ways to cut. Next question, many ways to cut rectangle into half. Okay, many ways to cut rectangle into half. So say dear student, see this is one rectangle. Now what we have to do? We have to cut this rectangle into half. And now question is here, many ways means we have to cut in different ways. So see, these are different rectangle here. Now we will try to cut this rectangle into half piece, but not only in some way, we will try to cut in different way. So here are five, these are 5 rectangles. Now we will try to cut this 5 rectangles into half in 5 different ways. So all of you know, see, when you will make it half, so there will be 2 equal parts and each equal part will be half of this same. So all of you know, see, this is one way to cut into half. So when you will make this type of the line, this rectangular shape is divided into 2 parts. This is one part, this is another part. So this one part is one half and this other part is another half. This one is another half, and see this half, this one piece is one half and this one piece is another half, and these two half make one whole. So this is one way. Any other way? This way also, this is another way to cut this into 2 equal parts. So see, this is one half and this one is another half. This one is another half. Like this thing, it is what? This is one half, this is another half, and these two make half one whole. Now these are 2 different ways. Now do you think there are other 2 different ways? क्या और कोई तरीके हैं आपके पास? So like this, third one way, see, you can divide this rectangle sheet like this, and when you will make it, see, this one is what? Half, and this one is half. This one is another half. This one is another half. So see, it is what? It is half, it is half. So this is one more way to divide this rectangle into half parts. Now any other way? This way also we can draw it here. See, this is one more way to cut this rectangle shape into half. Cut this rectangle into half. So when you will cut like this, see both parts are equal, means each part is here equal. Both parts are equal means each part is half of this whole shape. So this is one half and this is another half. This is another half. So this one is one more different way of cutting rectangle into half part. So we can write here, this is one half and this is one half, and these two halves make one whole shape. Now one more different way, see. One more different way. It is one more different way of making the half shape. So this part is one half. This part is one half and this part is another half. This part is another half. Okay. Now see, these are the different 5 ways to cut the rectangle set into half part. So what we can say, this is one half and this is another half. So these are the way of cutting rectangle into half. Now next question is here. Many ways to cut square into quarter part. Many ways. To cut square into many ways to cut square into quarter parts. Now here we have to make the square into 4 equal parts. Quarter part means what, beta? The 4 equal parts, and one part out of this 4 equal part is equal to quarter. In previous classes we discussed about what is the quarter. Quarter is 1 equal part out of 4 equal part of any whole things. So see, it's very simple. This way we can divide this square into 4 equal parts, and this each equal part is here quarter part of this shape. So I will show here each equal part, each quarter part by using different color. So it will be easy for you to identify each different part. See, these are here 4 equal parts. And now 4 equal parts, out of these 4 equal parts, each part is quarter. So this is 1 quarter, this is another quarter, this is another quarter, and this is another quarter. So this is one way to divide the square into 4 equal parts. This quarter part. Now is there any other different way? See, now we will discuss about other different way. This is our square sheet. Now to think about different ways. So see, here we can, this is half, and as you know, half of the half is quarter, so you make again half of this sheet and half of this part. Now see, there are 4 equal parts, and each part is quarter part of this square sheet. So this is 1 quarter, this is another quarter, second quarter, each one is third quarter, and this one is fourth quarter. So see, this 4 quarter make one whole. This 4 quarter make one whole, and so see, each part is each quarter, 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, and this one is 4 quarter. Okay, this one is 4 quarter. Now next, any other different way? See, different way. See, this is again half, and as you know, half of the half is quarter. So this is the quarter, half of the half, and this is half of the half, another half. So this way, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter are there. So see, this is one piece, 1 equal part. Then it is second equal part. This is third equal part. And now this is 4 equal part. This is 4 equal part. This is 4 equal part. So this way, here we can say this is 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 3 quarter, and this one is 4 quarter. So this way 4 quarter make one whole. So this is one more different way. See, in all these 3 sheets, we are dividing here into 4 parts, means in quarter part, but way of the dividing is different here. Way of dividing is different here. So do you think if there any other more way to divide into quarter? See, let's try. Yes, this is square sheet. This is square sheet. Now see, this is half, and again this is another way. Now you see, it is divided into 4 parts, and these 4 parts are 4 equal parts, and so each part is quarter part here. Each part is quarter part. So this is 1 quarter, 2 quarter, then see it is 3 quarter. This is 3 quarter, and this is 4 quarter. And this 4 quarter make one whole sheet. So we can write here, this is 1 quarter, this is also quarter, this is also quarter, and this is also quarter. Now see, in each sheet there are 4 equal parts. Each part is quarter part, but making the way of the making quarter are different here. Now any other way? See, this is one more way. This is one more way. So what is this way? See, this is half, and again half of half, like this, half of half. So see, here also 4 equal parts. This is 1 part. Then it is 2 parts. It is third part. And this one is 4 part. This one is 4 part. Okay. So see, each part is quarter. This is quarter. This is quarter. This is quarter. And this one is also quarter. Okay, this one is also quarter. So see here, again we make here 4 parts, but way of the making 4 part is here different. One more way. See, this is one more square sheet. Try to make the different parts here again. See, like this half, and again half of this half, and half of this half. So again here, half of half is quarter. So this is 1 quarter. This one is another quarter. This one is third quarter. And what is this? This one is fourth quarter. And this fourth quarter make one whole sheet. One whole sheet. So we can write here, this is quarter 1/4, 1/4. This one is also 1/4 and this is also 1/4. So this way we can cut the square sheet in many different ways into 4 quarters, into quarter parts. So many ways. What is the question here? Many ways to cut square into quarter parts. So in today's class, see, first of all, in first question we discuss about the half of chocolate, and then how many part of this, how many pieces are there in total, and out of these, in how many pieces are in Rina's part, and how many pieces is Rani's part, like that. Means, whenever you are making the half of anything, so what part will be left with her, and what part is left with her, and what part is must share with her friend, like that. And here, in question 2, we discuss how to make the different shape by using the half sheet. Here, question 3, many ways to cut rectangle into half. Here, different rectangles are there, and each rectangle is divided into 2 parts, means half parts. Each part is half, but way of the making half is different here. So in this question, we try to make the half of this rectangular sheet in 5 different ways. And in last question, the many ways to cut square into quarter parts. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 square sheets are there, and in each square, each square is divided into 4 parts, and each part is quarter part, but way of the making quarter part are different here. So dear students, this way today in today's class we learn about this topic only. So this is for today's class. Thank you.